Hey there, I hope you are fine, and let's start by creating a workable speedometer or gauge graph. The speedometer consists of two charts and two tables, which are our data the speedometer uses. The first data table, called speedometer data, has a start and a blank area value, and has also the values of the three basic areas, red, yellow and green. It also has a series level column, useful for the labels of speedometer. All these components will be used by the first chart. The second data table will be used for creating the needle of the speedometer. It consists of three components: the value of the needle, the size of the needle, and the end, which is a formula, a calculation that we need to have for the needle to be in balance with the whole chart. The calculation is the total of B3 to B11 cells minus the total of B16 and B17 cells. Of course, we can change any of these cells except the formula cell. To create the first chart, click on an empty cell, go to Insert tab, Pie Charts category, and Donut chart. Now from Design tab, choose Select Data. Click on Add Series. The series name will be the A2 cell, the speedometer data title. The series values will be all these cells plus blank area from B3 to B12. Click OK. Now edit the horizontal, the category axis labels, and choose all series level cells. Click OK and OK again. Good. To make it impressive, click any slice and from Format tab, add the shape effect like cool slant bevel. We want to change the orientation of the donut chart. Right-click any of these parts and choose Format Data Series. The option we need is the first, Angle of First Slice. Put 270. OK. Also decrease the hole size to 40%. We don't need the large slice, so we have to choose No Fill for color. Click on it and go to Bucket, Fill and Line tab and choose No Fill. We will change the color of the other slices. Start from this. Change it to dark red from More Colors, red, orange, yellow, light yellow, light green, and we finish with dark green. Delete the legend also. If you want to resize it, it's OK. Finally, from plus icon, go to Data Labels, More Options, and check Category Name, and check the others. From Home tab, change the font size to 12 and bold. The first chart is ready. To create the second chart, we will have the donut chart highlighted. Now from Design tab, choose Select Data. Click on Add Series. The series names will be the A15 cell, the pointer data title. The series values will be all these cells from B16 to B18. Click OK. See a second donut chart around the first. We will convert this chart into a needle. The first step is to change it to a pie chart. Design tab and choose Change Chart Type. Go to Combo Chart. It's the last from the categories. And the pointer has to be a pie chart, and don't forget to check secondary axis. And OK. Right-click any of these parts and choose Format Data Series. The angle of first slice has to be again 270. Also change the fill color from this tab. No fill for this and no fill for this slice. The color of the needle should be black and no border. Better now. The last step is to add a data label because it's crucial to know exactly the value of the needle. Edit the horizontal category axis labels and choose B17, then with Ctrl, B16 and B18. Click Needle, the plus icon, Data Labels, More Options and Category Name. Delete the other labels. Finally, highlight this label, go to Home tab and increase the font size and bold. If you want, change the font color to red. We created a really impressive speedometer chart. Let's try to change the value of the needle. It all works fine. Of course, you can change the colors of the chart area or add a shape effect. Speedometers are often used in professional dashboards. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please post them in the discussion board. Bye.